food helper?
Yes, I have.
Please tell me about yourself.
Alright, sis, my name is Sakila Zahra Dewi Putri. I'm from Semarang and currently I live in Jakarta and I'm 21 years old.
What experience do you have?
I have worked for 2 years as a cook helper in a central kitchen Jakarta.
That's good. Why do you want to work for this company?
Because your company is one of the big companies in Jakarta, sis. Therefore, I'm really interested to work here.
Do you have any cooking skills?
Yes, sis. I can cook continental food and other food.
Alright, I've not it. When can you start to work?
I'm available anytime, sis.
Then, just keep you waiting my confirmation via email or phone call. Thank you for coming to the school.
So, sir, I will wait for the confirmation, sis. Thank you.
Good morning.